Cases of whooping cough are making a comeback in the U.S. Known as pertussis, the highly contagious respiratory infection causes severe bouts of coughing that mimic a whooping sound. Despite a vaccine, health officials have seen a jump in the number of cases in recent decades. There were reportedly fewer than 2,000 cases in the U.S. in the 70s and 80s, but that jumped to over 48,000 cases in 2012. Unvaccinated children are said to be contributing to outbreaks. The CDC recommends babies get a series of shots with a combination vaccine, including for pertussis, beginning at 2 months of age.